Hi guys, welcome back. I'm home. I've had something here for a while that I've been trying to do a video on, but I haven't had anything to do it on. I got a tool sent to us from Audew. We've done a couple of videos on their stuff, a tire inflator and a scan tool, or a code reader that goes through your phone. And now they've sent us a jump pack. Lithium ion. I will, instead of trying to describe everything here, I will just do this and you guys can read it for yourself. Those are the specs. Price on the tool, I do not know exactly. I am going to have a link in the description so that you guys can get a discount on it, I believe, through Amazon. And this thing comes, I'll show you here. This thing comes in a nice little case. There's your cables. There is there's a couple of LEDs here. Okay, so I guess if you connect it wrong, it will tell you. And then you will push this button after you connect the cables to the battery, the boost button here, and that will activate it, and then you'll be ready to start the vehicle. Funny thing about this is that the other day my truck broke down. Well, not broke down. Dummy over here left the lights on when I went to work. And 6 o'clock, 6:30 at night, it was freezing out, and I decided to jump in the truck to come home. And it didn't work out too well. The truck wouldn't start. So the battery is about 4 years old. It was stone dead. And I was about to go grab the battery charger to bring it outside so I could jump start it, and I realized that I had this thing sitting in my toolbox for about 3 weeks, and of course I didn't have the camera in the truck, so couldn't turn the camera on. And I ran out there, tried it out. I figured it wouldn't work because I never charged it, and it was stone dead. The battery was stone dead in the truck, and I figured this thing probably wasn't up to par. It wasn't charged. So I figured out, what the hell, I'll try it. I put it on, and this thing fired the car right up. So my mother has not had her car out for quite a while, and as you can see, she's dead. So I figured, somebody's trying to tell me something. I got to do a video on this thing. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to leave you guys in the car. I'm going to just pop the hood. I'm going to pop this in. Now, keep in mind, too, that this thing has extra ports on it for, a tablet, cell phone, and such, or whatever. A micro USB, Type-C USB. And also a jack on the other side, okay? So this can be used for multiple purposes, as a power bank, storage bank, whatever you want to call it. Right now, I'm going to go out. I'm gonna plug this thing in, and we're gonna see if this car will start. So I can let it run for a few minutes and charge up. Right back. Look at that. That thing works great. All right, well, not a whole lot to show other than that, guys. It works. I did not charge this thing. Like I said, it's been sitting in my toolbox. I took it home with me tonight so I could jump start Mom's car. And that's pretty much it. So if you decide to buy one of these, I will recommend it, because it's bailed me out twice in a week, and I still haven't even put this thing on a charge yet. So nice little tool. I'm going to put a link in the description. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Leave comments down below. I'll talk to you on the next one.